children, in the previous class you have already learnt about speed, time and distance. Today we are going to discuss what is the relation between these three factors. First you have learnt about distance, another one is your speed and the third one was time. As you have already we have already discussed about these three terms. Today we are going to learn about what is the relation between distance, speed and time. So here already we have discussed, I will give you a brief about distance, speed and time so you have a better idea. Then we will relate these three terms, how they are related to each other. Whether they are related or not, that you will find out through an example I will take. First, see, distance already we have discussed, there will be a starting point and there will be a end point. Suppose I am taking A and B. So A is, suppose I am taking a starting point and B is taking as final point or reaching point or destination point. You may call it by different names. See, you are coming from your home or your house to your school. So we can take, this is your starting point and this is your destiny. So the length of path which you are traveling, that is called distance. And obviously you are coming by any means of transport that you have done in your EVS also. So there will be a means of transport also that you are using. Some children are coming by auto, some children are coming by bus, some children even are coming on foot only. They are coming by walking only because their home is very near to the school. So it depends on which mode of transport we are taking. Based on that, we have introduced one term, speed. Suppose you want to go far away places, so you will not go by walking. You will be either taking a road transport or you will be taking a train, or if you want to go in the least time, then you will take air. By airways you will go, aeroplane. Okay, most of you have already experienced a flight. So we will be using either road transport. In road transport also there will be very different options will be there. If you are taking a car, it will take less time. If you are taking an auto, it will take comparatively more time. Or if you are taking a cycle or bicycle, that also it is going to take lot of time. Okay, in train also you will be having a different options. Some trains you will find like Gatiman Express is the fastest train in India. Rajdhani Express, you might have heard the name. In your textbook also you have read. So you will be having different options there itself also. By train also you will be having different options. Their speed will vary. Some will take 40 hours for the same distance, another train may take more than 50 hours. So there will be a difference. And by air also you will find some planes are having a speed of 1000 km per hour. Okay, some may have, recently if you are reading a newspaper that Rafale, they are using for defense purposes. Their speed is much higher. So there are some options for you. Then time depends on speed, as it is if you are taking the fastest mean, it is going to take less time. So you can relate, at least you can frame something. So I will relate these three factors and we will be using this relation in solving the questions. And in real life also you can relate it. See, I am going to make a figure that you have to tell what is the name. So you can see here three sides. It is a closed figure made by using three sides. It is a triangle. So in a triangle, I am making three parts. So first part I am writing D, another part I am writing S, and the third part I am writing T. So in mathematics already you have done. If I am writing this one, so it is a numerator beta and this is a denominator. So the upper part we are calling numerator, the lower part we are calling denominator. So here, if I want to calculate distance, so I have to cover distance. So there will be speed and time. So I will be writing speed into time. If I want to calculate speed, I will cover speed. You can see distance divided by time. Upside it is distance, numerator, and downside it is time. So I will be using speed equals distance divided by time. If I want to calculate time, so I will cover time. So you will find distance and speed. If you are covering time, then you will find distance divided by speed. So time equals distance divided by speed. So these are the three relations, very important relations that we will be using in the numericals. I will take one example through that you will relate these things. How Distance is directly proportional to speed and time. Speed is inversely proportional to time and all. So that you can relate it. How? Let us take one example. I will take that example through your other subjects that you have already learned. See, all of you are well familiar with the India map, and you will be knowing that what is the capital of India. So our capital is New Delhi. What is our capital? Capital is New Delhi. And what is the capital of Kerala? Thiruvananthapuram. So you are going from Trivandrum to Delhi, suppose. Let us take a rough map of India. Okay, suppose you are going to New Delhi from Trivandrum, or you can say Ernakulam. Suppose I am taking Trivandrum. From Trivandrum to Delhi, you will be passing through different states. First you will, okay, so suppose this distance is 2400 kilometers. So definitely you are having few options with you. First option, you can go by train. By road transport you can take, okay, any bus, car, and another one is by air. That is the fastest means by aeroplane you can go. Okay, so you can see the timing. If you are going by train, it may take 40 to 50 hours. If you are going by road, it will take more than 2.5, or you can say 3 days it will take, 3 to 4 days. Or if you are going by air, it will take 3 to 3.5 hours only. So we can relate, when I am going by air, it is the fastest means of transport. So